ready?
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Cooking with Mom.
Passover is coming up, unless you're watching this in August, because it's the internet and people can watch things
whenever they want.
Exactly.
Yeah, that much I know.
Right. I've been vegan for about 10 months. My nickname is T-Bone. My mom nearly had a panic attack when I said that I was vegan. And for the past 10 months, she's been stressing about the Seder. And how am I gonna have matzo ball chicken soup if I'm vegan? So what are we doing today?
We're gonna make a vegan Jewish penicillin soup. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like what I do exactly for the chicken soup.
Sure.
These are soup socks.
Shout out to soup socks.
Yeah.
It's like Dad's sock there.
Not really. Not really.
That
but
grips
anyway,
his leg for the varicose veins.
No, that's a support house.
Oh, right,
Okay.
support house. Okay.
So here I have leeks, onions, celery in one bag, carrots, white turnip, parsnip, and regular turnip. Not very good at quantities, and I'm not very good at reading recipes. I'm gonna add some vegetable broth.
Were you trying to rush the broth because it's not organic and I bought Campbell's by accident?
Yeah.
You didn't want to do it?
No, yeah.
Gale wax, all organic, everything.
No, not all organic. Don't put that out because that's just a lie. Let's keep it. Oh, for Christ's sake. I'm gonna put in some peppercorns. Okay, not so close. I'll put some garlic in here. Okay, so this bag is done.
Couple of sock sacks.
Soup sacks.
Soup sacks.
Soup socks.
Super sacks.
Soup socks.
I feel like this is going pretty quick.
Yeah, it's done. Now I'm gonna make one last sock. So I have a whole bunch of dill. Smells good.
Let me smell.
So,
Julia's allergic to dill.
well, I won't feed it to her because I like her.
Okay.
This is some parsley. So I'm just gonna put that with the dill. And again, this is just my way of doing things, so
Well, people want to know your way.
Maybe somebody has another way, but it's pretty...
You know what time it is. Leave your way to make vegan chicken soup in the comments.
Oh, are we live?
No.
Oh, you're so full of
No, we're not live.
No. So, my bags. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the broth maybe to boil a little bit. And then that part is ready. I'll just add in the bags and we'll simmer it. I'll add in a little salt. And that's it. And we hope for the best. But we have to start preparing for the matzo balls.
Right.
I've never really even made a matzo ball. I always
Like an actual matzo
I
ball.
usually buy them.
Right.
There's only 4 ingredients to it. There's quinoa flakes. I never even heard of quinoa flakes before. 2 cups boiling water.
Timer set.
Yeah, 3 minutes. The matzo ball mix. I'm gonna mix that.
Like smells like a matzo ball already, you know?
Yeah. And then some oil. They say a light vegetable oil or safflower oil. I happen to have the safflower oil.
Really?
So
And then we're gonna go like this.
then we have to roll it out.
And then we're gonna go like this.
And it's gonna be ready.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah.
Do it. It's ready.
Yeah, I don't know.
You can't snap?
No, not with the left.
Ooh.
No, I can't snap.
Well, just pretend.
Okay. Oh yeah. I guess it's a little different because there's no eggs in there, so. Oh yeah, they roll out nice. It's a pain in the ass. And this is why I don't make matzo balls. You know, you always look for new things to make, but truth of the matter is everybody likes the traditional stuff.
Where did you used to go for the Seders when you were a youth?
Antiglorious. And true story, about a month before Zeta died, he said, okay, it's time for you to make your own Seders now. So Zeta will be gone 2004.
14 years.
Yeah, 14 years. So 14 years ago, I started making my own seders.
Wow.
He never made it to the seder. But he had it in play that I was going to do it, so that's what happened. Alright, let's see how it goes. Well, they say to cook at 20 to 25 minutes, check it after 10. Listen, they look like a matzo ball, but...
Ooh. Should I try a bite?
Well, we are going to, I'll look at the finger. Okay.
So it doesn't have the same texture of a matzo ball, but it almost has the texture of like a potato knish. Really good, actually.
I wonder if they should be in longer.
That tastes so good. Don't you find?
They still have a taste of a
Do me a
matzo
favor.
ball.
Put a little bit of soup in there.
Okay. Like, I wonder if we should put it in more. But they're pretty good.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah?
That's amazing.
Want to taste?
It's really good.
Well,
It's.
I mean, listen, it definitely has the flavors. I'll make a... Not bad.
You did it. Follow my mom on Instagram at Gail Wax. Also,
You'll have to post this for me.
yeah, well, I'll post it for you. But also follow me on Instagram at Adam Greenberg1 and on Facebook at Adam Greenberg TB1. Because my mom wants you to follow me.
I do. Yeah.
Because
Let
she
him
wants.
get a lot of, let him be sponsored all the time.
She wants to get paid
Be
for this.
sponsored, yeah.
So if you want to pay for this, message my mom. And also, in the comments below, let us know what you want us to cook next. What vegan recipe you want Gail to try.
Cooking with Mom.
I will try another batch
Okay.
with this.
You know what you should do? You should try your first Instagram story.
No.
That's not gonna happen.